Welcome to Analytics Friday. Today I'm going to talk about cross-domain tracking. As you know, if you are using different domains on your marketing, like microsites, and you have different the major sites that you are always converting there, but your campaigns are always done on the microsites. Okay, so wait a minute. And you start to notice that your conversions are all related to that microsite. Okay, that's the way that you have to set up the cross-domain tracking. In Google Analytics, we consider that Google Tag Manager it's the easiest way to do it. So you do cross-domain tracking. This cross-domain tracking it means that the cookie that is put on the client browser when he visits the microsite one, it means that that information that as referring sites campaign is going to be transmitted to the, the, the main domain. So it's quite easy to do it with Google Tag Manager. So and you start to notice that your campaigns are going to appear on on your central sites like store. And you don't get any referrals for your microsites that part of conversions. Okay, you can track conversions to your campaigns, so that's very important. So when we are tackling this kind of configuration, you have to look about your digital marketing ecosystem. Another way that is going to put you on the right path is to when your payments go to conclude their conclusion, it's made on a different domain, different website, on the payments system, and normally you get a total conversion for that domain site. So in that aspect, you have to see and you have to change your cross-domain settings to include that payment infrastructure as well. If it's not like this, you get all referrals to that your conversion to that payment system. Okay, so be aware and use cross-domain effectively to have your conversions and have your management to know how you are tracking your campaigns correctly. So give it a thought and see you next week for another Analytics Friday. See you there. Bye.